How to know if someone is secretly reading your Facebook message and how to log them out immediately. So in this video I want to show you how you can detect if your Facebook account is signed into someone else's phone or if someone is monitoring your activities. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is just come over to these three dots and click on these three dots. So when you click on that three dots, scroll down. So when you scroll down, you see this place they wrote settings and privacy. Click on the settings and privacy. So then from settings and privacy, just scroll down and come over to this place they wrote privacy center. Click on the privacy center. So when you click on the privacy center, it's going to bring you up to this window. So what you're going to search for is that you're going to be searching for devices where your phone is, where your account is logged in. Now, since we cannot see it on this window, just come over to this search bar, and then the prompt you're going to use here is just search for where you are logged in. So search for where you are logged in. So it will bring up these two dialogues. This one here, where you are logged in, and where is information transferred. But the one you're going to be using is this first one, where you are logged in. So you click on where you are logged in. So when you are logged in now, you click on the profile that you want to check. Now this first profile here, this is my Instagram and this is my Facebook. So this can be used to track both Facebook and then Instagram. So I'll click on the Facebook to see where I'm currently logged in. So you can see that the current device I'm using right now on this Facebook is Redmi 13C. That is what I'm using right now. But along the line, sometimes in December 2026, I logged in another Redmi 13C. Then sometimes in July 2025, I logged in this particular Android. I'm sure it's my phone that I changed. So what you have to do now is you come over to this place they wrote select device to log out. When you click on select device to log out, then select if you want to log out the Android. So I want to log it out from this last Android that I used. So I'll just click on this last Android that I used, and then I'll click to log out.